Before you spend thousands of dollars installing gutter guards, there are some things that I've learned over the past 20 years as a gutter guard installer that every homeowner should know. Hi, I'm Jason Wood with the Gutter Guard Experts. And over the years, I have installed, inspected, repaired, or replaced many of the most popular gutter guards that are on the market today. And after helping thousands of homeowners over the past 20 years, I've noticed that the same problems come up again and again. And the unfortunate part is this, that most homeowners don't discover the weakness of a gutter guard until after they've spent thousands of dollars on it. Some systems still allow leaves, shingle grit, and small debris into the gutters. Others collect debris on top, so homeowners still end up climbing ladders to clean them. I've also seen gutter guards made out of thin metals, plastics, or foam, which simply don't hold up over time. This can lead to them bending, warping, or just deteriorating after years of exposure to the elements, leaving homeowners replacing a system they thought would last them for decades. During heavy rain, I've seen many gutter guards struggle to capture the amount of water that's coming off of the roof. Instead of directing water into the gutter, water overshoots the system, and this can lead to erosion, foundation issues, and water damage around your home. If you have pine trees, the challenge becomes even greater. Pine needles, seed pods, and fine debris can be very difficult for many traditional gutter guards to handle. But here is something that so many people overlook. The product is only half of the equation. The quality of the installation is just as, if not more important than the product itself. I've personally inspected many systems installed at a wrong angle, damage done to the roof system, wood rot, and mold and water damage to the inside of a house caused by a poor installation. I've also met with homeowners who assumed they were fully protected, only to discover later that their warranty excluded the very problems they were experiencing. And so after seeing these same issues year after year, I became convinced that there had to be a better way. And so I spent years studying the best gutter guard concepts, learning what worked, what didn't work, and then listening carefully to what homeowners consistently complained about. The result? Our patented system, the 2.0 Pro. The 2.0 Pro was not designed to be just another gutter guard. It was engineered to address the most common problems that I've seen throughout my career while using heavy-duty materials that are built to last. In most cases, it installs directly onto your existing gutters, so there's usually no need to replace your entire gutter system. And just as importantly, it's backed by our triple lifetime warranty, covering materials, workmanship, and clog-free performance. At Gutter Guard Experts, we've been helping homeowners protect their home for over 14 years. And during that time, we've had the privilege of installing our systems on thousands of homes while maintaining a 4.9 average customer rating. At the end of the day, my goal has always been super simple. Design the gutter guard that I would choose for my own house and install it the way that I would install for my own family. If you'd like to find out whether the 2.0 Pro is the right fit for your home, click the link below to schedule your free gutter inspection. We'll inspect your existing gutters, answer all of your questions, and help you determine if the 2.0 Pro is the right solution for you.